Looking for the fuse box in your Kia Sedona, 2002 to 2005? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse easily. Passenger compartment fuse box. A passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2005 Kia Sedona protects interior circuits such as dashboard, audio, lighting, and climate controls with easy fuse access and replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 to 2005 Kia Sedona protects key engine, lighting, and electrical circuits with an organized layout for easy inspection and replacement. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.